Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So my name is Preeti Gupta and today we'll discuss over another series on tutorials and another topic as well. So let's start. I'm sharing my screen. Okay, wait for a minute. Okay, I open my PPT. Okay. So today motivation is the best preparation for tomorrow is doing your best today. Okay, the best preparation for tomorrow is doing for your best today. Okay, so don't waste your time. Okay, don't waste your time for Instagram scrolling the social media. It's a very waste of time, so don't waste. Okay, and second things, be motivated, keep learning. Okay, one day we can achieve each and everything, whatever your dreams is it. Okay, so let's begin our topics. Okay, let's move to the point. What happening? I don't know what is. Okay, so but today topic is servlet basic components. So first component, server basic component and their uses. So first component into was response dot set content type. Okay. So first we response a set content component. Response is basically when we have to use a servlet method. Okay, like get method, post method. Then they have the two parameterized. First one is response, second one is request. Okay, then response is basically you just get the data, means response the data, means and they set content. This is basically for we have to set the content, and inside the set content we just define the which types of files you have to uh give him. Okay, so you this there usually is this tells the browser what types of content it should expect from the server. Okay, this tells, okay, this whole tells what? This whole tells the browser what types of content it should expect from the server. Okay, like what types of HTML types, yeah, plain text types, yeah, JSON types. Okay, so this set content tab they define what types of contents, okay, expect from the server. It should be expect from the server. There are the various component tabs. First one is test. They are content tab. We just written on these tabs. Test dot slash html and meaning means html content means mostly commonly use. We just use on that our code. Text plain means simple plain text. Application JSON means JSON data. When we have to use in database, play with database, this time we have to use in application just JSON, slice JSON, using API and HS. Okay. Let's to move to the second components. Okay. I just deleted drawings. Next. Okay. Second one is what? Print writer equal to response that get writer means this is used to send output from the server. This is basically return when we have to use in servlet. This is the basically a print writer is a class, and we just out and response that get writer. The get writer is also method. Okay, this is used to just send output from the server to the browser like text or HTML code. Okay, means they basically send the output to the server, and server means servlet to the browser, like which types of file we have to just given on HTML, yeah, text, yeah, JSONs. Okay, they are basically common use in when we are print output in same line, when we are print and move to the new line, yeah, or that right means hello also print. Also print is similar to the print like that. Like we have to use in system dot out the print line, but in servlet we just use on commonly we just use on that. Okay, let's move to the next line. Next slide. Okay, next. Okay. Third one is what? Request dot get parameters. Okay, means used to get value sent from the HTML form or through the URL. Okay, get parameters they means when we have to send a value to the HTML form or through the URL. Like for example, we have to fill the form. Okay, we have to fill the form is sent to the like HTML form and or through the URL. Then this time we have to use and get parameterize. Okay, this is a basically return on string name is called to request dot get parameter, and we have to insert in just username. We just get the get through the URL, yeah, get to the HTML form, send from the HTML forms or through the URL. Okay, if the form has like input name, username, this line will face the user input. Okay, please got the friends. If the form has input name like username, this line will face the user input. Okay, yes. Let's move to the next slide. Okay. Fourth one is STAT server request and STAT server response. What is both of these? Because we have to use and they are the four to parameterize. Okay. So STAT server request means what? It's a server interface. Okay. What is the purpose on that? Their purpose is the request that come from the client means browser means handle the request that come from the client yeah browser. Client means browser. Okay. STT servlet response means what? Help to send the server to response back to the browsers. Okay, they help the send the response to the browser. Okay, so both are what? Both are interface. Okay, got this point? Hope you got this point. So that's all. Next tutorials we will do for using the whatever we discuss on some method, whatever discuss on some STT method we used in um sorry we use in our next tutorials. Okay, let's discuss some life cycle. We already discussed on server life cycle, but let's discuss on that. So we will do in next tutorials in this method we will use on our code. Okay. So please understood the get the things. If you are not get the thing, please comment on chat box. I will again resolve your issues. Okay. If you have any doubt, please comment on, and please like and subscribe our channels. So these are the main method we will to override to the servlet. Okay. First one in init method is what? Runs once when server start. When server start, we have to just initialization. This is the initialization forms. Service means run for every request means default method. Okay. Do get me. This is already know that handle get request like clicking or link. Clicking or link. Okay. Depost means handle post request like form submissions. Destroy means run before the server it removed from the memory. This is the very mandatory, right? If you are not removed from the memory, they are already stored on that. It's so our memory will be full. So that's why we using destroy method. Okay. Hope you got this all the points. Okay. Um. Yeah. That's all. So thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening to each and everything. Hope you get all the points, all the topics. Okay. If you have, if you have any doubt, any query, please let me know. Okay. And please comment on chat box. Okay. I will take your, I will read your all query, and I will try to resolve your all the each and every problems, each and every query results. Okay. So thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Please don't waste your time. Again, I am telling you, because time is very, very, very important. Okay. Don't waste your times. So keep learning, keep motivating, and please take care of your health also. Okay. And thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Take care.